Hey, Dillon with Home Buyer Louisiana. I am at another property. We are in New Orleans. We are close to Chef Menteur Highway, Old Gentilly Road, kind of like that area of New Orleans. This property actually was listed with a real estate agent. Again, time is of the essence sometimes. You need cash fast. You want to get the property off your hands fast, and that is where Home Buyer Louisiana comes in handy. So go to homebuyerlouisiana.com, fill out the survey there to let us know about your property, how to get in touch with you, and see if we can help you. So yeah, this is essentially a double here. I will say I can tell in the tile that we have some uneven groundwork going on. It is raised on piers. Can't really see it from the video probably too much, but I can tell in the tile that the floor is uneven. The roof looks new, but if you can see, there is of ceiling issues going on here. This is one area that's already pretty much been opened up and gutted. But even through the kitchen, I can see, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but there's warping and sagging here in the ceiling. Not just from roof issues, but we could tell even underneath the sinks, we've got like a lot of water damage to this property. So whether you just want to get the property off your hands quickly, if it's in a succession kind of deal, if you're working on the property with a lot of hands in the pot, a lot of family going on, maybe you're a landlord and you just don't want to be a landlord anymore, we can help you. homebuyerlouisiana.com. I'll show you a little bit of the second that's located in the backyard. You know, old carpet, and we buy these properties as is, y'all. So these owners are not going to have to do anything for us to try to help them get their cash fast and get rid of the headache that the property is causing them, whatever that reason may be. So yeah, I mean, you can see no one's gonna have to make any repairs because, like I said before, we buy properties as is. We've got sheetrock damage, more sheetrock damage here. And again, even in this room, I am seeing unevenness in the floor and ceiling. So homebuyerlouisiana.com. Go to that website, fill out the form, let us know about the property you want us to help you with. Let us know how to get in touch with you, and we will do so ASAP.